Hello students, the question says that tobacco plant are heterozygous for recessive trait albinism and selfed and 1200 seeds are obtained. How many seedling would from such a seed will have a parental genotype? So if we talk about the question, what the question is saying that if we have a tobacco plant with a heterozygous for a recessive trait of albinism, if we talk what is albinism. Albinism is a recessive character or a recessive character containing gene. So if we talk about what is albinism, albinism is shown when its effect is shown when it is in only recessive condition. If we talk about here, RR is always in recessive condition with a homozygous condition. So it will be so if we talk about it, effect will be present if it have R dominant and both recessive. So it effect will be containing effect, it contains effect, but effect will be not shown in F1 generation or in F2 generation, but its effect will become, but it originally effect will be shown if it is in homozygous recessive condition, that is said to be a recessive trait of albinism. So if we have a 1200 seeds are obtained from its cross, if we obtain a 1200 seed, let us assume we obtain a totaling seeds to be a 1200. How many seeds would have a such a seed will have a parental genotype? So here we have to explain how many of them would have a parental genotype, or here we have to explain how many it, how many of them. So let us understand what is its relation. So if we assume that we have a two plant, let us we have a two plant that to be R and dominant is recessive R, and here also heterozygous condition. In question if we talk about, it is talking about heterozygous condition, so we are taking a parent to be also a heterozygous parent, so R and capital R. Let us if we have R and here R, it would be homozygous as dominant character, and if we have R and small r, it will be a R and here recessive R, that is a heterozygous condition. It will be shown, it effect will be present, but it will be a non-shown in any generation. And if we talk about again, it will be a heterozygous, and if we talk about R and R, it will be a homozygous. So if we talk about the parental character in this cross, the parental character will be of 50% and 50% will be a recombination. Recombination will be a 50% and parental character or the parental generation character will be a. Our final answer here is 50%. So if we talk about our total seeds here of them, total seeds are 1200, so let's divide it by 2 because it is 50%, so it will be about 600. So our final answer is here 600. Let us see. So 600, that is option C. So option C is the correct here. Thank you.